Helo, Rachael ydw i o Byw'n Iach, Bro Dysynnu Tywyn. Heddiw da ni'n mynd i wneud 4 ymarfer cydbwysedd. Heel raises, toe raises, sefyll ar un coes a symud eich pwysau yn ôl ac ymlaen. Mae ymarfer cydbwysedd yn bwysig i bobl sy'n ofnus o gwmpo neu hefo problemau pen-glin neu clinau. Mae yna gwahanol safonau o ymarferion i trio. Rhif 1, dal cadair hefo 2 law. Rhif 2, dim ond pen bysedd ddau. A rhif 3, hofrau hefo 2 law. Da ni'n mynd i trio wneud yr ymarferion am 1 munud. Cofiwch, os da chi'n teimlo'n wobbly neu poen, stopiwch. Hi, I'm Rachel Roberts from Byw'n Iach, Bro Dysynnu Tywyn. I'm here today to go through some balance exercises with you. We've got 4 different exercises: heel raises, toe raises, standing on one leg and moving our weight backwards and forwards. Balance exercises are wonderful for anyone who has a fear of falling or has pains or problems with their knees or their hips. There's 3 different levels. You can hold onto a chair with 2 hands. You can hold onto the chair just using your fingertips, or you can hover your hands above a chair so you can balance. If you feel that you need to hold on, you can just grab hold of that chair. We're going to try to do the exercises for 1 minute each. Obviously, if you feel wobbly or if you feel like you have pain, you must stop. Let's have a go.